Yo, Apple fans! The iPhone 17 series is coming with a game-changing pro camera app and an 8x zoom lens. Ready to snap pro-level shots? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this iPhone 17 scoop. Mac rumors leaked that Apple's iPhone 17 series, launching in September, will bring a pro camera app and massive camera upgrades. With a 48MP telephoto lens and 8x optical zoom, it's set to rival third-party apps. Want the details? Keep watching. Apple's new Pro Camera app, exclusive to iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, is built for serious photographers. It offers advanced manual controls to compete with apps like Halide, Kino, and Filmic Pro. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, this app promises pro-grade precision and creativity right from your iPhone. The iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to pack a 12MP selfie camera and a 48MP telephoto rear camera with an 8x optical zoom lens up from the iPhone 16 Pro's 5x zoom. This movable lens allows continuous optical zoom for crisp, far-off shots. Plus, an anti-reflective, scratch-resistant display coating boosts durability and clarity. The iPhone 17 series could redefine mobile photography with its Pro Camera app and powerful zoom capabilities. Perfect for creators and casual users, these upgrades make every shot stunning. Set for a September reveal, is this Apple's best camera system yet? Let's talk about it. The iPhone 17 series drops in September, so get ready for next-level photography. Whether you're a vlogger or a selfie pro, the Pro Camera app has you covered. What's your dream iPhone 17 feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the iPhone 17's Pro Camera app and epic upgrades. Are you hyped for 8x zoom or the new app's controls? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.